What's up, traders? I hope you all had a nice weekend. So, let's start this week off with our favorite commodity, natural gas. And I'm going to go through gold and crude oil as well. So, right here, from last two videos, if you remember, I've been talking about market being bullish. And as you can see, the market was stuck in this decision zone and was not giving us some good signal to take the trades from. And right here, we got this 382 candle, this red little candle, and after that, we got this bullish engulfer, which is a signal that market is likely to push back up in this zone. And once we are in this zone, this is the zone I'm paying attention to take my sell trades, where I expect sellers to push the market down from this zone. The market is now in the zone I was paying attention to, and now I will be looking for my sell entry reason. So at this point, the natural gas is at the selling zone I was paying attention to. And now, what you need to do, take your sell trades once we have a good entry reason. And you know how I enter the trades. And if you're new to this channel, let me quickly show you how we enter trades once we have a good entry reason. So once you are in this zone, we can still expect a little push up in the zone again. And by the time we have a push up, we might see an overbought situation here as well. So that will be a signal that we have a good chances of the market to push down. So right now, expect a further pullback. We have this ping zone, which is 8.878, that goes down to 8.614. So we can expect a further pull up here once we are in this and between this zone. Either at this point, if I get a good selling reason, I will enter my sell trade. So right now, what you need to look at, you need to look at the entry pattern, something like this. As you can see, we got this bearish engulfer, right? And market push down. That is on 1 hour time frame. And now on 1 hour time frame, here you can see if this current candle closes below this previous green candle and that closes at 8.576, that will be a good sell reason. And at this point, if we have a close here, just check the ATR of the current candle, and you can just hover over this candle and you will see the ATR number here. Push your stop loss 1 ATR above and 1 ATR below. By the way, guys, I'm gonna upload a video. I will give a little tutorial on trading view, the way I take trades, the way I have my settings of Fibonacci and all the other EMAs. So I'm gonna show you that as well next weekend. So right here now, on this is the condition we might get on 1 hour time frame. If we have a push up, we can still get this condition on 1 hour time frame, and we can get a double top action in between this zone. So basically, this is a selling zone. Now I'm going to show you the condition we might get on 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, I can still expect another green candle and then another red candle. So I want to see this condition now on 4 hour time frame, or I want to see a little pullback followed by a double top move. So these are the condition I want to look for. So if you got an engulfing candle on 4 hour time frame, something like this, you see this is an engulfing candle. If you get that, then you can take your targets at 180R above and 180R below. So now we are entered in our selling zone. We look for sell trades only with a good entry reason. If we do not have any entry patterns, the way I explained, then we are not entering any trade until we get a good entry reason. If we have a break and close above, then there's a likely chances that the market will push up. But at this point, I expect the market to push down if we have an entry reason. Again, guys, we need to see an entry reason to take short trades. I will not enter short directly here without any selling reason. So right here on Owanda, we hit the major level of support, same condition, guys. So if you remember from last few videos, I've been talking about taking buy trades, and as you can see, the market pushed up from this zone, now hit this major level of support, and now you can go back on 1 hour time frame and you can see if this current candle closes below this green candle, which is 8.442. Once we have a close here, then you can pull up your short position tool right here, and then you can check the ATR of this candle. You can hover over this candle and you'll see the number here and push up your stop loss and take profit 1 ATR above and 1 ATR below. So this is the condition we might see on a 1 hour time frame, and we also get this overbought situation here as well, adding some confluence. And now just go back on 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, what I want to see, I want to see another pull up with a green candle and then a push down with a red candle. So if we get this condition, then it's a good sign that the market will push down. If you get a move like this, you can see this move, green and then red engulfer. So if you get something like this here, similar like this here, then there's a very likely chance that the market will push down, and by the time we have a push up, we can have a overbought situation here in the RSI as well. And now we can either see this condition, or we can either see a push back down, pull up, and then we can see a double top move my favorite way of entering the market, and as you know how I take my double top moves. So this is what I'm expecting. Enter once we have a good entry reason in this zone, good selling reason in this zone. If we have no selling reason, then I won't be entering a trade. And if we have a break and very strong bullish momentum, which is less likely, if we have a break above, then it's chances the market will push up here from this zone. So look for a sell reason to take your sell trades. So let's check gold. So gold is now above the major level of resistance that has now turned into a support. So let me show you what I've said in my previous video. Just want to connect the dots so that you know how we can enter trades. The market closed with a bullish pressure. Once we have a good close above this zone, another candle, I want to see another candle close above this zone, and then I want to see a pullback to take my long trades out of this zone. So exactly, market has broken above this level of resistance previously, now is will act as a level of support. And as you can see, we have this overbought situation. That was an entry reason as well for one of my strategy, which I cannot explain in this single video, but that is a strategy which I will explain in my course certainly. So now at this point, we can expect a push down to 50 or 20 EMA, and once we have a push down, expect another big engulfing candle, and we can expect a push up from this zone. And I will set up my target as a 180R above and 180R below. So gold, I'm not looking for any sell trades. I will be only looking for buying trades once we have a good buying entry reason from this zone. Obviously, if we do not have any buying reason, and if we have a waterfall of this red candle, then we can expect a push down, which is less likely at this point. So this zone you can mark on your charts is 1847, that goes down to 1830. So let's check crude oil here. What do we have on crude oil? Crude oil is now still above this zone. We have got a retest of this zone. Now I still expect a bullish candle from here. Once we have a good bullish candle, I expect the market to push up, and the next target for my sell trades is 117. Once we have a hit of this zone, I will look for my sell trades, and I will set my target 180R above and 180R below. So at this point, not entering any sell trades. I will enter buy once we have a good buying reason. We can still hit 50 EMA, and from here we can get a good buying reason as well. So at this point, we are above EMAs, above the previous resistance, now turns support. I will look for my buying opportunity. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Take care.